Have you ever wanted someone to feel an irresistible attraction to you? Not physically, but energetically. Not for them to chase you, but to crave being in your presence. To desire not your presence, but your energy. If the answer is yes, you are about to learn an ancient secret. This is a hidden ritual known as the Serpent's Whisper. So how does this whisper work? Why is it so effective? The secret lies in the symbolic power of the ingredients. Honey is temptation. It is sweetness, seduction, an irresistible invitation. Silk is tension, tangible, yet never fully captured. A smooth, slick, and passionate tension. When these two combine, they trap desire not in action, but in vibration. This isn't a physical obsession. It is the oldest and most potent form of energetic seduction. The person's body becomes programmed to seek your energy. To bring this powerful whisper to life, you need 3 simple yet symbolic items. 1 black candle, a small piece of silk fabric, and 1 drop of honey. Now, watch carefully. The steps are simple, but your intention must be sharp. Step 1. The secret: write that person's name on the piece of silk. Small, delicate, like a secret only you know. Step 2. The bond light, the black candle. Drizzle that 1 drop of honey over the name. As the honey slowly soaks into the silk, whisper these enchanted words. Let sweetness coil and bind only in the way I choose. Step 3. The mysterious seal. And now, the most mysterious part of the ritual. You might have noticed that in the images, step 3 is skipped, moving directly to step 4. Perhaps the real secret is hidden in this unknown step. Step 4, the activation. The ritual text says, bury the silk 3 times and pass it over the flame. But be very careful. It must feel the heat of the flame but never burn. Pass it quickly over the smoke and heat, without touching the flame itself. The silk must not burn. The tension must be preserved. The ritual is complete. It is now sealed. The Serpent's Whisper is not meant to create an action in the physical world, but to set an irresistible desire trap in the energetic field. Remember, these energies are powerful, and vibrations always find a response. What do you think that mysterious skipped 3rd step could have been? Share your theories in the comments. Stay tuned for more ancient knowledge, because secrets are only whispered to those who seek them.